I'm going to show you how to build a professional IVR phone system using GoHighLevel. If you wanted callers to hear press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing, and have those calls routed automatically to the right person, this is exactly how to do it inside of GoHighLevel. I'll walk you step by step through setting up call menus, call routing, and department phone flows so you never miss another call to your business and it sounds professional from day one. All right, let's just jump right in here. So when you're in the workflows is what it's going to look like when we're done. I'm going to back up so you can kind of see how to do this. So this is just a made up business here, ABC Electrical. You'll come in, here's the one that I already have done, but you can actually come in, create a workflow. So you can come down to automations, create a workflow, and you can select a recipe. They already have some of these set up. And then you can type in IVR. Select that, it'll load it up, and you already got it pretty much pre-built out for you, so it'll save a lot of time. From here you can change items. So I'm going to jump back into the one I was already working on. So the trigger, what's going to flow is you put in your business number here. You will have to have a phone business number set up already in HighLevel here. That number, then it's going to put it into this workflow automation here. The next step is the say or play message. The only thing what this means, you type in what you want it to say. So when somebody calls, the first thing they're going to get here is going to say, hello, welcome to ABC Electrical. You would put your business name here. You want to keep it short and simple. It is kind of robotic. You can choose a man or a woman voice. Another option is to play a message. You would just upload your audio file. So if you want to pre-record yourself. Hey, Mark here. If you need help on your website editing, a WordPress website, or you have a high-level software website that you need help with, or automations, you can just reach out to us. The link below this page you're seeing right here, and you can fill out the form, and we will be in touch with you to help you out. Then you would upload it into here, and then you can use that. We'll go to the next item, collect information. This is what they say. Again, you want to keep it kind of short here. It says press 1 to hear all list of services. This is the default. We can change it to press for support, billing, and so forth. Press to leave a voicemail is what this comes in, or press 3 to talk to our team. We're not going to change any of that right now, but that's where you would put press 1 for sales, press 2 for billing, and so forth. Then next part here is the map caller's input. This is the branches, so press 1, it's going to do this. They type digits 2, 3, and 4. And so what that looks like, this currently comes out of the box with, it'll ask the list of services, and you would have to do an if-else statement down here just to list off those different services. The text, what it's going to say, you could have it just say those items too. Press number 2, it's going to be the voicemail. It's going to go to transfer calls. Number 3, this is where you'd select the user. 4 is an extra one I put in here, so if it was going to send to me, you can actually select the user here. This account doesn't have any users in it, so we'd remove that. Or you can have it go directly to a phone number, so you can enter in your cell phone number here, 612. You could type it all out, and then you just hit save. And then it's going to go to that person's cell phone number. And then if nothing's met, what will happen is no conditions are matched. It'll just go back through the sequence here. You can actually, an easy way to create this sequence. So since I added a 4th option here, we could actually delete this all out. And you can actually come here and copy actions. And then you could paste it down here. That's a way to quickly get your IVR set up. Another thing you might want to do, maybe you want internal notifications. So if somebody, say they call me or they go into this system, maybe I want to have an internal notification. You could do that here. You click internal notification. You can do email, notification in the app, lead connector, or SMS. You can do that, and you type what the message you want it to be. So we could say you have message on the phone system, and you can create a custom value and grab that contact's phone number. Say, call them back. Then if I save that action, it's then gonna apply that there. Let's do all users. All right, save that action. So it's gonna send an internal notification, do different ones like that. Let's see, that's pretty much it for a quick IVR. They have it built in, and it has a good template for you to start with. And then you can just customize it from there. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If you like this, like the video below. We'll keep doing GoHighLevel tutorials like this for you. Thank you.